How do you feel that building relationships has helped you get more deals done?
Goodness, tremendously. I have a relationship with the county where they send me deals now. They send me properties that are on the condemned list, or they have a lot of code violation. They're like, hey, it's just me and one other company that they call. They're like, hey, are you available to take a look at this property? We're trying to help this seller, this homeowner, because they have to move. We're taking them to court, and we don't want them to lose everything. And they know that I'm solutions driven, but even more than that, I'm people focused. I have relationships with my private money lenders. I send them updates of what's going on at the properties. I do kind of a video diary on my YouTube channel of the properties that I do. And so when I'm talking to a seller, I know that there's a distrust in the beginning. So what I do is I'll send them to my YouTube channel. If they have that capability, I was like, here's a little bit about me. I'll send in a text. Here's a little bit about me, so you can see that I do what I say I do. And just recently, I got a property under contract because of that. She had a lot of investors coming at her, and an offer higher than mine. And so I was like, I know you're meeting with that investor at 2 o'clock. Let's meet at 12. I just really like to meet you. And she was going through a really hard time. She'd been in a car accident, and they thought she was dead at the scene. This particular house, she's a hoarder. It's filled to the brim with stuff, and the outside's filled with stuff, and she's been pretty much homeless. So I was like, you know what, I'll pick you up from the hospital. She was having therapy that day and really didn't have anywhere to go. So I was like, I'll pick you up from the hospital, and we'll grab a bite to eat, and we'll talk about your property and your situation. By the time I got to her, she had already watched my YouTube channel, and she knew about my daughter because my daughter's in some of the videos, and she felt like she knew me personally. And she's like, you know what, I really trust you. I'm going to go ahead and sign this contract with you.